Hello, I am Harish Kanapur and you are watching On Point. Before getting started, I have given the link below of the draft copy. Please do download that. It is a full textbook of your CAMD. In this video, we are going to model the screw spindle of skill jack. Let's go to start, mechanical design, part, okay. Select plane, go to position sketch, draw a profile. Since there is no gap at the center, we are going to draw it from exactly center, means that on the at exact axis. So let's draw the profile which looks similar to the figure in the draft copy. There is no restriction that you have to follow this method which I show you. You can follow anything, but at the end you have to be efficient and accurate as much as possible. That's the main reason. So make sure that you follow the easy one. So it's looking like the draft copy. Let's constrain it. The purple color means it is over constrained, so it's turned to green again, no problem. So let's check the report. It is ISO constraint, so fit to screen. Let's go to edit multi constraint. Let's assign the values from the draft copy. Now preview, so it's fine. Let's give it access, exit, shaft. We have to chamfer the edges, top edges, as it is in the draft copy. So let's select edges, chamfer 1 mm. No, it's too small. So let's give it 3 mm. It will be alright, I think. Okay, it's fine. Here also same thing, 3 mm. Okay, fine. Now we have to make holes. Let's select the front plane, position sketch, okay. Let's draw a circle. Let's give it a distance and the diameter. So it is ISO constraint, so let's give the diameter 12 mm diameter. Distance is 35 mm. So here it is center, so let's go to the pocket option, mirrored extension. Let's random value, the hole should be throughout the model. So give a random value so that it can passes from both sides. Let's select the other plane, position sketch. Let's draw the other circle. Same procedure, no change. Let's give the value 35 mm and diameter is 12. Exit pocket option through mirror extension. Okay. Now we have to create the hole on the top edge. So let's go to the hole option, select the surface, go to the sketch, and that select 2 points, both point, and say coincide. Okay, now it's ISO constraint. We have to define which type of hole is this. Not counter bored, sorry, counter sunk. It is counter sunk. And depth of the extension diameter of the hole is 12 mm and the depth is 30 mm. No, it is V bottom. Let's set the type. It is countersunk, threaded. So thread diameter is 13.2, hole diameter it is 12. Let's give the depth to 4 mm. So here we can see how it is done. V bottom, threading option. Let's go to threading option. Thread depth is 30 mm, hole depth is 35 mm. Okay. Here we can see the hole. Let's have a look. So hole is done. Fit to screen. We can see that hole. We have to thread the bottom. So select the surface. Thread diameter is 30 mm already fixed. Select the limiting surface. We have to give the depth of the thread now. -240 -83. Yeah, from the draft copy. You can't see the thread now. You can see that in draft copy. But in some versions of the CATIA, you can see that even threading also in green color. Chamfer, let's give a little bit more chamfer so that it looks exactly as it is in the draft copy. Let's save it as a script. Save.